Imagine transforming your free time into a profitable venture. Welcome to the world of side hustles. This dynamic sphere is all about turning your skills, passion, and yes, even your leisure into an exciting source of income. Side hustles offer the flexibility to explore new avenues without quitting your day job. From selling homemade crafts to freelance writing, there's a side hustle for everyone. But today we're not just talking about any side hustles, we're revealing the top 3 side hustles for this November. Each one is a golden opportunity, a chance to flex your entrepreneurial mindset and make your mark. So, are you ready to get into the next month? Are you ready to turn your free time into a mission for success and satisfaction? Let's get started on the top 3 side hustles for this November. Starting our countdown at number 3, we have the virtual assistant hustle. In this digital age, the role of a virtual assistant is as diverse as it is dynamic. From managing calendars and responding to emails, to providing customer service and even handling social media accounts, a virtual assistant is the unseen hero that keeps businesses running smoothly. The great thing about being a virtual assistant is that it doesn't require any specific degree or particular background. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a computer, and a knack for organization. And let's not forget those essential soft skills like communication, time management, and problem solving. With these in your arsenal, you're ready to conquer the virtual world. So, how much can you potentially earn as a virtual assistant? Well, according to recent data, virtual assistants in the United States can make anywhere between $15 to $50 an hour depending on their tasks and experience. That's right, you could be making a pretty penny all from the comfort of your own home. But how do you get started? It's simpler than you might think. You can start by identifying your strengths and skills, then market those to potential clients. There are numerous online platforms like Upwork and Freelancer where you can create a profile and start bidding on projects. You could also network on LinkedIn or even start your own website to attract clients. Remember, as a virtual assistant, you're not just an employee, but a business owner. So don't be afraid to pitch your services, negotiate your rates, and build strong, lasting relationships with your clients. In conclusion, if you're looking for a flexible side hustle that capitalizes on your organizational skills and can be done anywhere, anytime, becoming a virtual assistant could be just the ticket. And who knows, you might find that you not only enjoy the work, but also the freedom and independence it offers. A virtual assistant gig could be your ticket to turning downtime into dollars. Moving forward at number 2, we introduce the dynamic world of social media management. This side hustle is all about leveraging the power of social media to boost businesses and build brands. The role of a social media manager is to handle clients' social media profiles, engaging with their audiences, promoting their products or services, and building a strong digital presence. As a social media manager, you'll be the voice of the brand on social platforms. It's a role that requires creativity, excellent communication skills, and a thorough understanding of social media trends and algorithms. You'll create content, schedule posts, respond to comments, and analyze engagement data to refine your strategies. It's a role that's always evolving, keeping you on your toes. Now, you might be wondering about the potential earnings. Well, the sky's the limit here. Depending on your experience, the number of clients you manage, and the results you deliver, you can earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. So how do you start? First, familiarize yourself with the major social media platforms and understand how they work. Next, learn about social media marketing strategies, content creation, and analytics. There are countless online courses available to help you get started. Then, build your own social media presence. This will serve as your portfolio when you start looking for clients. Remember, in today's digital age, businesses are increasingly recognizing the importance of having a robust social media presence. They need experts who can navigate the fast-paced world of social media, engage with their audience, and drive their business forward. That's where you come in. While it might seem daunting at first, don't be deterred. With persistence, continuous learning, and a dash of creativity, you can turn social media management into a profitable side hustle. Social media management, a side hustle for those with a knack for communication and a pulse on current trends. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our top side hustle for November is AI content creation. Let's dive right in. AI content creation is all about using artificial intelligence to generate content. Yes, you heard that right. Using algorithms, AI can create everything from blog posts to social media updates and even scripts like this one. It's like having an invisible writing partner that never sleeps. Now you might think, I'm not a tech whiz, how can I do this? But here's the thing. You don't have to be a coding expert. There are plenty of tools and platforms out there that make AI content creation accessible to everyone. The applications for AI content creation are vast. It's used in marketing to create engaging copy, in journalism for data-heavy reports, in entertainment for script writing, and so much more. The digital world is hungry for content, and AI is helping to feed that appetite. And the potential earnings? Well, they're as broad as the applications. You can offer your services on a per-project basis or on retainer, depending on the needs of your clients. The more experience and expertise you gain, the more you can charge. So, how do you get started? First, familiarize yourself with the concept. Understand how AI works and how it can be used to generate content. Next, learn to use the tools. There are numerous online resources and tutorials that can help you upskill. Once you're comfortable, start offering your services. You can start small with a few clients and grow from there. It's worth noting that AI content creation is not about replacing human creativity. Rather, it's about augmenting it. AI can handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of content creation. The demand for AI content is only going to grow. Industries across the board are recognizing the efficiency and effectiveness of AI-generated content. By diving into this side hustle, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of a burgeoning field. AI content creation, a future-proof side hustle that combines creativity and technology. There you have it, the top 3 side hustles for this November. These side hustles are not just about earning an extra income. Of course, the potential to supplement your earnings is a significant aspect, but there's more to it. These hustles provide a creative outlet, an opportunity to learn new skills, and a chance to build a portfolio outside your regular 9-to-5 job. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in the world of side hustles. What works for one person may not necessarily work for another. It's all about finding what suits your skills, interests, and schedule. So, I encourage you, delve deeper into each of these side hustles. Conduct your research, understand the market, and identify the skills you need to succeed. There's a wealth of resources available to help you get started. In the end, the power of side hustles lies in their potential to transform your life. They can provide financial freedom, personal growth, and even pave the way for a full-time business if that's your ultimate goal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And remember, your time is valuable. Make it count. Start your side hustle journey today.